What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can save your Instagram reels into your gallery. So let's jump into the video. What you need to do, first you have to go to your Instagram just like this. After opening your Instagram you will land on your home page. Then you have to go to your profile. Please guys, make sure you watch the full video and follow every steps that I'm going to show you. So after going to your profile you have to click on this option, reels option here. Then you have to choose your reels that you want to download. Just like this, I'm going to download these reels to my gallery. So what you need to do to download these reels from to your gallery, you have to click on this share button, the third option. After clicking on this you can find the option called download, just like this. In the fourth option you have to click on this option, download. Then your reel will start downloading. You can see my reel is just downloading. You can see a downloaded option, it will pop up on my home page. So guys, this is it. This is how you can save your Instagram reel to your gallery. So I hope you find this video helpful. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. You can see my reel is just downloaded.